Hello everyone, welcome you all back to Eternal IAS, and in today's lecture we are going to solve another 5 set of MCQs which are going to be very important from the prelims perspective. As you all know, prelims is approaching and we all have to write down all the important current affairs and all the important points which is going to be the important in the prelims examination, right everyone? So now let us start with the 5 important current affairs articles for today. So these are the 5 topics which we are going to see. First one is Somansai Festival, then Nagi Bird Festival, then Pangolin, then Sterinum Admisi, then Yuvika Festival. Okay. So now let us see what are the important articles. Like the first, that is Somansai Festival. Somansai Festival, which has been recently seen in news. It has been recently conducted in the Japan. You can see from the here. This is one of the strangest festival of Japan, which is the Japan's Naked Men Festival. So this Japan Somansai Festival, this Somansai Festival is basically the Naked Men Festival, which is being conducted in Kokuseki-ji Temple, right? And this festival is like the Naked Men Festival, in which so many people of Japan, they come over and they start uh, like they start doing celebrate this basically wrestling festival also. They do wrestling here also. Again, this is a very year old edition, like 1,000-year-old festival, right? During the 1,000-year-old Sominsai festival, groups of barely clad local men roam the street in a freezing temperature, eating, drinking, and chanting, while onlookers shower them with freezing cold water. So, this is the pre Buddhist era ritual where they have to march naked, right? But Japan's intensifying demographic crisis, with over 60s now comprising 30% of the population, they have depleted the rural towns. This hampers the continuity of unique local custom by younger inhabitants, which remain at the cultural core. So you can see that this is being lost. Japan is facing a serious demographic crisis as the population is aging rapidly while the birth rate is declining. And the latest data, if I talk about, it reveals that 30% of Japan population is now over 65 years, highest proportion globally. With youth migrating to cities for job, small towns and rural areas are worst hit by the manpower shortage. And this has forced the shutdown of businesses and challenged the continuity of old age Japanese heritage traditions and culturals, which are now shortage of the participants. So this Somansai festival, it is now, you can say, it is coming to an end. It is a very ancient tradition, deeply rooted Japanese culture, held at Kokusuki Temple, commencing on the seventh day of the lunar new year. Getting my point? So this you can say the strangest festival, it has succumbed the challenges posed by the Japan's aging population crisis. Right, everyone? So this was all about the Somansai festival. I hope you all are getting my point and understood the topic. Moving on to the next question. Next question is about the Nagi Bird Festival. Nagi Bird Festival. Again, this is a festival. I hope you have heard about this festival. Nagi Bird Festival is basically the main objective of this festival is to promote bird conservation. What? To promote bird conservation and educate people about the migratory birds and their habitats, right? So this 3-day festival has recently begun. In which area? Bihar. Which area? Bihar. Not Nagaland, because I hope you all will collaborate the word Nagi with Nagaland. No, right? The Bihar government is organizing this 3-day Nagi bird festival in the region of Jamui of Bihar. Through this festival, people are getting aware of the migratory birds also. That what exactly migratory birds are, what is the purpose, right? So this has already been begun, right? And for this also, Bihar has also promoted Nagi Bird Sanctuary also, and it is a 3 day event, and all the people, bird experts and bird lovers from all over the country, they're expected to come here, right? And in Bihar, there are basically two bird sanctuaries, Nagi Dam and Narkati Dam. But these two sanctuaries are so close to each other that they can be taken as one bird area. So Nagi Natki bird sanctuaries, they are a home of variety of indigenous species of birds and also the migratory birds that coming from the Eurasia, Central Asia, Arctic Circle, etc. Okay. But there are some other bird sanctuaries also in Bihar, except these two. Gautam Buddha Bird Sanctuary, Kusheshwar Asthan Bird Sanctuary, and Kawar Jheel Bird Sanctuary of Begusarai. So there are other also bird sanctuaries, and these are the like facts or sanctuaries which you have to remember for the upcoming exam. So getting my point, everyone. I hope you all are clear with this. You can see this. Bihar kicks off 3 day Nagi Bird Festival from today. You can see the picture of also. And like these are the important questions which UPSC can ask. Okay, then moving on to the next question. Next question is about the pangolins. Okay, why this was in news? Because World Pangolin Day has been observed, and recently Forest Department has releases a poster on the Indian pangolin. Okay, so the poster name was Rescue and Rehabilitation Guidelines for Indian Pangolins. That's why this topic was in news. So now let us see some facts about the Indian pangolins and the question also. So let's see what exactly are the pangolins. See, pangolins are the nocturnal animals and they have the ability to swim also. They actually feed on the termites only, but they can eat insects and other insects also. They dig the burrows. You all know about the burrows? So they dig the burrows also. And recently it has been revealed that more than 1200 pangolins were poached for the illegal wildlife trade, right? And they play a vital role in ecosystem management. They are known for their unique appearance. They have a scale. And the scales which you are written here, the scales are made up of keratin, which covers their entire body. It is kind of a protein. When they are threatened, they can roll themselves into a ball and protect themselves. Okay, so there are 8 species of pangolin found here. There are 8 species of pangolin found worldwide, right? 4 species you will find in Asia, and 4 species you are going to find in Africa. In Africa, you are going to find black bell pangolin, white belled giant ground, and temic ground. In Asia, you are going to find 4 Indian pangolin, Philippine pangolin, Sunda pangolin, and Chinese pangolin, right? Once they are known to be found in the large numbers, but now their population is seen to be declining. As I told you, it is seen that they are being indulged in the illegal trade or poaching things. Okay, and in the IUCN, they are being categorized as endangered. And the fourth point, the scales are made up of keratin. Again, the correct statement. They do not have teeth and feed on only ants and termites, but they can eat other insects also. The second statement you can say is wrong. Okay. And the first statement you can see only mammal with scales. So this is correct answer. The only mammals with scale is pangolin. So first is correct, third and fourth is correct. So the correct answer for this question is 3. Right? Today's questions are basically based upon very important topics, and I would suggest all of you that whosoever is listening to this topic, just try to make sure you are writing each and every point of this article. Okay, because these are going to be play a very game changer in your examination. Moving on to the fourth question, very easy question. If you have heard about that, you can easily solve this question. Stenorema adamsi, right? So it is Stenorema Adamsi. So you can read. This is a new nematode species which has been discovered. It is a nematode species. So the correct answer for this question is option number D. This basically simple question, nothing else. Okay. You can see. Okay, moving on to the last question of the series, which is about the Yuvika program. Very, very important program. Yuvika program is related to what? It is an initiative recently being started. And this Yuvika 2024 initiative, it is a 2-week residential program. What? Yuvika program is the basically, you can see from the first to impart basic knowledge on space science to the younger students of rural India. Yuvika is Young Scientist Program, so that the people, students can cultivate curiosity and interest in the space science technology, right? So that the STEM can be promoted. What is exactly STEM? Science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. And it is open to all the students who have completed 8th class and currently they are studying in the 9th class, and based upon their 8th class results they can participate in this, and special consideration has been given to the people or the students belonging from the rural areas, right? So 3 students from each union territory or state participates annually, and students get this opportunity. ISRO ensures that representation from every region is there so that everybody has that, and it is a 2-week residential program in which classroom training, lectures about the space science, technology, applications, hands-on activity about the robotics, models, AI can be done. Also, ISRO tour is being here. Experimental sessions will be there, and they can interact with the ISRO scientists also. Right? So many students have participated. So Yuvika is you can say Yuvika plays a crucial role in nurturing the curiosity and talent of young scientists, which pave the way for brighter future in space science and technology for India. So these are the basic important facts which you have to learn and understand about the Yuvika initiative. Getting my point, everyone? So just make sure you are writing these points, and these all are the important current affairs. These are the most important questions from the current affairs. Okay. So make sure you are writing each and every point here. Whatever I'm trying to tell you here by my slides, whatever I'm telling you here, you just need to make sure that you are writing each and every point in your notes wherever you are preparing your notes. Everyone is preparing their notes. Current affairs notebook is different. So what wherever is your current affairs notebook, write down all the facts. Whatever I'm telling you, write down. Okay. So these are the important things. I hope everyone is very much clear with the facts. Then meet you all in the next lecture with another set of questions. Till then, take care. Goodbye. Thank you.